I don't know if my day ever ends. So I get up and then turn my alarm off, make a cup of coffee, and then the next thing I do is make sure that I make my wife's coffee. Get my work truck started and ready to roll, get dressed and get ready for work. Usually stop by the store first thing if I'm doing a service calls or whatever I'm doing that day. If I'm headed to a customer's farm, I'm usually talking to him and a lot of times thinking about what parts I need or the other jobs that I have going that day. So it's just kind of like a chain reaction all day. You're just going from one job to the next. So we're managing several jobs throughout the day. It's not just one piece of equipment or one thing that we're doing. There's a lot of things to do that's not always the same thing. It changes things up. You're just not stuck and honed in on one specific thing all day long. And so a lot of times we're dealing with a lot of electronic issues and a lot of electrical issues. And you know, that farmer, he's out there and he's got a $500,000 invested in equipment. He's looking for solutions. And so we're trying to be that solution to his problem. You know, I've got antique tractors that I work on at home out in my barn until it's, you know, time to get ready for bed and get ready for another day. After 30 years of being a part of this, the day never really ends because you're always thinking about that next step. I will take that home with me and probably research that at home because that's kind of what I'm driven by, is wanting to provide solutions and have an answer.